What's up, y'all? This is Shara the Goddess, and I'm back with another video. I want to talk about how it's time to stand with the stars. It's time to align yourself with the ancestors. It's time to separate yourself from the snakes and the fakes. Now, you want to know who the snakes and the fakes is? You already know who the snakes and the fakes is. It's in your face every day, from social media, the TV, fake news. That is the snakes and the fakes. The stars is here. Planet Nibiru is back. We are the true superheroes. And it's just time to level up. So if you want to be successful, true successfulness is not obtaining the snakes and the fakes, material things. Because we already know that everything is energy. The earth belongs to you. Anything that you want, you can have because it's already yours. So it's time to separate from the snakes and the fakes. You don't have to work hard for anything. We must stop believing the lies, because by continuing to believe the lies, you will continue to be fooled by the snakes and the fakes. Y'all got to remember that we are going to the fifth dimension, where all types of things can begin to happen for you. But if you continue to associate with the snakes and the fakes, then you're not going to be able to reap the benefits like some of us will. You have to know that when you put that work in, when you align yourself with the cosmos, when you get in alignment, when you start thinking better, feeling better, treating yourself better, greater, knowing who you truly are, doing research about where you come from, this is when your life will begin to do a 360. When you become a true alchemist, when you start putting that work in, when you say your affirmations, when you start working out, when you start doing things on purpose, living on purpose, when you stop reacting to things, this is when you come into your true power. This is when you can't be manipulated by the snakes and the fakes. It's all a game, y'all. We are the true stars. We come from the cosmos. It's time that we know this and own this and live like this and be this. So it's time to get in alignment. It's time to raise your energy. It's time to raise your vibration. It's time to stop complaining, whining. It's time to be the true stars that you are. Learn how to maneuver in this matrix. Learn and be wise to be able to see when BS comes your way. It's not about pointing the finger. It's not about what somebody done to you. It's about how you react and respond. It's about knowing that this is a game. It's about being truly who you are. Because we are in a magical place, and we have to know that. We have to learn how life is science. We have to learn about how matter works, how your body works, how your mind works, how what you do on a day-to-day basis affects you. Because your eyes and your ears are like camcorders. Everything is being recorded and downloaded into your subconscious mind. And whatever's in your subconscious mind has to be expressed in your reality. We have to take responsibility for the part that we participate in. Because if you don't know who you truly are, then you can always be clickbaited. Y'all got to know that this stuff is like clickbait. Life is like clickbait. You see something and you buy into it. You believe it. You can't believe everything somebody tells you. You have to go within. You got to use your common sense. A lot of us has lost our common sense and just believe everything. Believe all the propaganda. So stop aligning yourself with the snakes and the fakes, because Mother Nature, Mother Earth is here. And guess what? She's fed up. Mother Earth is fed up and done with the BS. This is why a lot of different things are happening the way that they're happening on this planet right now. A lot of things are being exposed and revealed. Life ain't what you thought it was. But if you are tapped in and you align yourself with all the negativity and you buy into it and you feed it, then guess what? You're still a part of that system. And anybody that's a part of that system with the snakes and the fakes, hey, I don't know what to tell you. All I'm going to say is that you are the true divine source. But if you don't know that and you aren't living like that, then you're being fooled. You're being fooled and you're also being fueled. You keeping that system going. You know you don't like the way that you have been living your life. You know you don't like getting up, working every day. You know you don't like feeling how you feel. But if you don't learn about energy, frequency, and vibration, then how you expect to change your life? You got to become the mechanic. It's just like if you were a car. But you know that you are also the one that can fix your car. You know what? I'm gonna give you a better example. Let's just say if you are a computer, but you are also a hacker or a coder, a programmer. You got to treat yourself and your body like that. Your body is like the computer. Your body is like that car I was just talking about. You are the mechanic of that car. You can fix that car. You got to go in, fix the engine, learn about this, learn about that. Become the mechanic so you can fix your car, because your body is like a car. Or like I just said with the supercomputer. You are the programmer. Your body is the computer. Learn how to fix your computer. And it's that simple. Don't let the hacker, the what's the word? I don't even want to say the hackers, but don't let what you see on your computer screen distract you. Because you might just got a bad computer, but you got to fix your computer. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, y'all. I just want to say, stop aligning yourself with the snakes and the fakes. Learn that you are the truth, the only truth. So we have to go within. It's time to level up, raise your vibration, put the work in. And when those shadows come, when your old reality shows up, which it will, react differently. Don't buy into what you are seeing. Know that it's just a reflection. Reflection of how you used to be. That's it. It's like a test. You're being tested by the universe. You're not being tested like, oh, somebody's trying to test you. It's just the universe communicating with you like, okay, do you still want your old reality? Are you still that same person? That's all it is. It's just the universe putting everything in its perspective, because you are what you attract. So if you have been being a negative spirit, and when those negative energies show up your way, it's just the universe giving you what you have been being. But it's also a test in that moment. You're letting the universe know, do you still want this old reality, or are you ready to move on to something different? And it's just that simple. So go within, learn about you, learn about energy, frequency, vibration, learn how to raise your energy and take care of yourself and be kind. And just know that, hey, yo, you got this. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I thank you for taking time to listen. I'm out. Peace.